Guys, I'm so excited. Crocs commented on one of my videos and they've sent me stuff. Sent me two. I didn't even know it was coming. I actually have no clue what these. I think this is shoes. It's like, I think these are shoes. This is so funny. I have genuinely no idea what these are gonna be. I'm literally shaking. Oh my god! Love that. It's like squeeze. Oh my god, I love them. Staple. I actually don't have white ones. They're gonna look so good when I have a tan. And more. Oh, what is that? I think it's a little animal to like put on my Crocs. That's so cute. What the hell? Package one. Package two. I have no idea. These are so heavy. Oh my goodness. No way. Look. It's the fluffy ones. That's so cool. What are these ones? Oh, look at that. Comfy. They're just like my Uggs. Oh my god, I love that. I'm actually in disbelief. They didn't tell me what they were sending. They sent me 3 pairs of all these cool things. Like, oh, what the hell? I love that. I love that. I love you, Crocs. Now I have 5 pairs.